Today we are going to visit this nuraghe. It's called Nuraghe Orgono. It's located very close to the village of Ghilarza in the province of Oristano in Sardinia, central Sardinia. 2 kilometers, let's say 2 kilometers from Ghilarza. You will see this nuraghe already. If you come from northern Sardinia, if you come towards Ghilarza, you will see it from the highway on your right. This nuraghe is very ancient. It was dated from around the 17th century before Christ. It's very different from all the other nuraghe that you will find in Sardinia that have been discovered so far, because it's a double nuraghe. You will see this one, you can see already from here, you can see it has the oldest nuraghe down on the bottom, and then on top, the newest part, the Nuraghe tholos. It's basically, this nuraghe perfectly shows the evolution of the nuragic architecture, of the nuragic civilization. The oldest types of nuraghe, and then the newest type, called a tholos. Now we go visit all around and also inside the nuraghe. Let's go. We are entering now in the nuraghe, and the first part that we find is the most ancient, because this nuraghe, the main feature is that it's basically a double nuraghe. The first, the largest, and then on top is the one that is called a tholos. The tholos has been mainly destroyed, but it still exists, we can see, which testifies of how ancient it is. It crosses several eras of the Nuragic time. Now we are entering in the oldest part of the nuraghe. Here we are in the oldest part of this nuraghe. It's the first nuraghe that was built, and it's the lower floor, let's say. On the side you will see two nooks. In here, this nook has a window that was probably used either for the light or to control the territory surroundings. These two nooks, the difference of these two nooks of this nuraghe compared to the other nuraghi that you will find in Sardinia, the difference is that these ones, you can see they are elevated, while in other nuraghes you will also find nooks, but they are on the same level of the normal floor. These ones, both of them, they are elevated. Here, in origins, when they built this first nuraghe, this was the door of this nuraghe. Now, when they decided to build, probably a generation after or another era also of the Nuragic time, the Nuragic civilization, they closed that door and they made it a staircase to go to the tholos, to the newest part of this nuraghe. You can go up the stairs, so you can reach upstairs at the tholos, but be careful because it's very dark. The steps are extremely uneven. They can be slippery, so make sure you have shoes with a grip, maybe like trekking shoes, are very, very comfortable, and a flashlight. After the dark staircase, You arrive in the upper floor and it's the tholos, it's the newest part of this Nuraghe. From here you have the view of the whole countryside around. It's this one, it was mainly destroyed, you can see. From the side, you can see from here, obviously be very careful, there is no fence, so be very careful not to fall. But you can appreciate the different layers of the construction, because here you are gonna see also the walls that they were built later to protect the oldest Nuraghe. Now we are heading back down. When you go out of the Nuraghe, you can do the whole tour of the Nuraghe. And what you see right above me, researchers, historians, they say that it might have been a large terrace. In fact, now we still see that it has the shape of a terrace, probably smaller than it was in origins. This Nuraghe, it's not open all the time to the public because the entrance is closed by the gate. If you want to visit, you need to contact the Orgono Association in Ghilarza. In the description below, I will leave the phone number and the address of the association. If you enjoyed this video and if you find it inspiring, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more things to see and do in Sardinia, and visit our website, sardiniarevealed.com. Now, Sardinia Revealed is signing off. See you in the next video.